Hi friends, today we have Ronak Ladhar with us, who is one of our GATE Applied course enrolled students, here to share his learning journey with the GATE Applied course. Ronak, thank you very much for sharing your journey. Could you give us a background on when you graduated, what is your work experience and things like that?
Okay, sir. So, sir, I graduated in computer science engineering in year 2018 from Mangni Ram Bangad Engineering College, Jodhpur. And then I joined Alipo Technologies for 2 years. I was working as a DevOps engineer there. So, after 2 years, I felt like I should go for higher studies because I had seen many of my employees, like they are like MS, they had done MS from foreign universities, and also I started like preparing in the last year, like for the GATE. And before quitting my job also, I had given GATE 2020, so I got some like decent ranks. So it gave me confidence to left my job.
If you don't mind me asking, what is the decent rank?
So I got the 1388
Pretty
rank.
decent, yes. Okay.
So I got the confidence because I had left few subjects also last year because I didn't get sufficient time for preparing all the subjects. The course was huge, and I was like more relying on the free resources last year. So that's why.
So what about this year preparation? When did you start? How did you leverage all the resources of GATE Applied course? What was your learning strategy like?
So like I started around May.
Okay,
So first of all, I had revised all my previous year notes.
very good.
Then I go for the previous year questions. Then after that, I felt I should more focused upon the questions instead of that notes. So I started revising like previous year questions as well as the GATE applied test series questions. So I go for the test series. I had attempted like 2 test series. I had enrolled for the 2 test series. So more focused upon the test questions.
So you said you skipped some subjects last year,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So when you started preparing this year more seriously,
Yes.
from around May, June,
Yes.
so did you first finish those subjects through Applied GATE course or not?
Yes, I had finished that 2 subjects, remaining 2 subjects. So I was parallelly doing, like I was revising, like for 3 to 4 hours, and 3 to 4 hours parallelly I was completing that 2 subjects.
Okay, so you're practicing more and more,
More
while
and
also
more.
finishing those subjects.
Yes.
Okay. So did you quit your job, because that seems to be the case, to prepare for GATE 2021?
Yes, because uh, when we are having a job, like we are having a second option. I didn't want to give me a second option for that.
Okay.
That's why I closed all my previous options and now like more focused towards the GATE.
Okay. And you said, okay, next 8 to 9 months, I'm going to prepare thoroughly and go as best as I can.
Yes.
Okay. So in terms of solving practice problems, what was your strategy like? Because often students, because after some content that we have a practice test.
Yes.
So if you fumble in that, what was
Yes.
your strategy to keep yourself motivated and things like that?
So sir, like I was doing parallelly, like after the topic I was doing the topic wise tests. Then after I was giving the subject wise tests. So the mistakes which I do, I revise from the content again and again. So I had done around 4 to 5 times of revision.
From the content videos?
From the content videos around 2 times.
Okay.
And from my notes itself.
Very good. Again, notes is very helpful to
Very
revise
helpful
fast.
to revise.
So overall, how many questions do you think you have solved roughly in this whole 1 year of your
I
preparation?
think around like most of the questions are repeated also. If we do not like the concepts are repeated. So I used to skip that questions. So I think around 3 to 4,000 of questions.
So you solved both our test series and practice problem subject
Yes,
test?
yes.
That itself is 5,000 questions.
Yes.
Again, all questions are not of the same or different pattern. Some questions are same pattern also.
Same pattern also. So I had also watched your live sessions. So that was also like the questions quality was also good because it used to cover like 2 to 3 concepts into a single question.
Yes. So in some of our live sessions, we tried to do that.
Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
So equally importantly, so how many marks were you scoring in some of these practice tests, subject tests, etc.?
Initially when I started, I used to do silly mistakes. Around 9 to 15 questions I used to do silly mistakes in every test.
Out of 65 questions?
Yes, out of 65 questions. But the main point was I was lagging in aptitude also initially. So I think that aptitude I should score more. so I focused more upon aptitude also. I had started giving 1 to 2 hours daily for aptitude. That had helped me a lot.
Okay.
In the last, I think last mocks also, I was scoring around like, from the 10 questions, I used to get 8 questions correct.
Very good, very good. So since you're preparing full time from May of last year,
Yes.
from May of 2020,
Yes.
on an average, how much time were you spending in this whole GATE preparation?
I think till November, I was like spending around 5 to 6 hours.
Every day?
Every day. And then after November, in December, I had joined some reading space. So that my timings was fixed, like from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay.
So I used to study there. I didn't want to like mess up my this year exam.
Because you also quit your job,
Quit
there
your
is more
job.
risk.
Yes.
True. So in terms of your, using some of the resources like mentorship that we have,
Yes.
how did you utilize them whenever you get stuck and things like that?
Like the previous year, like I spent more upon like getting the concepts by myself. So this year, I like if I get a doubt, I simply mail it, and I always got the response in around 4 to 5 hours, or even maximum within a day. Initially, I had also watched the free content of Applied Gate. In that case also, I used to get the response within a day.
Yes. Okay. Very good, very good. So you did use that.
Yes.
But I'm sure because you quit your job, there is also pressure and stress on you.
Yes.
When you got less marks in some subjects or
Yes.
some tests, how did you cope with that pressure?
So like I was thinking, when I messed up some subject, I was thinking like all the subjects are equally important.
Yes.
So try to focus more upon the other subjects. Like in TOC, if you will see the undecidability topic, I always used to get the response from the applied team also like don't give more time to single subject. If
That's a hard, don't spend too much time
too
on
much
it.
time on it. So because it's hard, then it's hard for all.
Okay, so you realized that fact very
Yes.
quickly and
Yes.
didn't bother too much
Didn't
about
bother
it.
too much about it.
Okay, very good, very good. So now if you go back and if you change your preparation strategy, because you've been through this journey successfully,
Yes.
if you have the option to go back, what parts of your preparation strategy will you change this time? Or even last year?
I think I should have enrolled in the applied course before only.
Okay.
And I should have solved my, like questions previous year also, because in the previous year I had not solved any of the test series.
Okay.
I had simply given the GATE exam directly in 2020. So that was, I think I should
So
change.
had you enrolled earlier and made and did more practice?
Yes,
it
did
would
more
have been
practice,
helpful.
it would be helpful.
I'm sure, because with minimal practice, if you got 1300, I'm sure you could have gotten a rank under 100 last year itself. But that's okay.
Yes.
So, any suggestions you have for people like you with 2 to 3 years experience? What suggestions will you give if they're preparing for GATE seriously this time?
I think they should not feel pressurized, first of all. If they are dedicated, they will surely score. They should get a proper guidance for it. They should not like go for the freely available material directly. They should have some research, go for the subject-wise material or subject-wise courses.
Okay,
They should go in a structured manner.
okay, got
So
it.
that will save a lot of time for them.
Yes. So, any suggestions you have for us on improving the GATE applied course from your own experiences here?
I think from this year GATE paper, I should say there should be some difficult,
I completely agree.
there should be some difficult questions also.
So surely, so we made it very clear to ourselves also
Yes.
that we'll at least have 2 mock tests and at least 1000 questions,
Yes.
which are slightly on the trickier and harder
Harder
side.
side.
We will surely do that this year because we don't know what the next year paper is.
And also one more suggestion, like the students should not leave the reading practice.
Yes.
What I feel like we are missing is the reading practice. We are more towards the videos and all. So we should also read some materials, books, the standard textbooks.
That's
Awesome.
a nice suggestion. So what a similar thing has been suggested by some other students. So this year what we are planning to do is after each chunk of concepts, we will add saying that in this so and so standard textbook, please read these sections if you have time.
Yes.
Because for people like you who are preparing long term, right, you have time.
Yes.
So that we will surely add this year itself. We will pick standard textbooks and say, Hey, because we have used the same standard textbooks to do our videos, right?
I used to get the references also in the mails also. In the
Yes, but we'll put it in the course videos
Yes.
so that you don't have to explicitly,
Explicitly
ask
ask
us
us
for.
for.
So that we will surely incorporate. Any questions you have for us?
So, sir, for a student like me, there should be some motivational videos also from the applied course, if that can be possible.
So what sort of motivation? Because motivation is mostly inherent, right?
Yes.
Like I can pump you up for one day, but after you sleep, wake up, everything is gone. But of course, I understand that there is a need for some motivational videos.
Yes.
We will surely try to do more of it.
Yes.
But what sort of videos do you think will help somebody like you?
So that can be of practical, because when we are quitting the job, we are like inspiring to go to some best of the colleges. So that so regarding that, if you can give a background about that colleges and all, what is the what life you can expect after.
Sure. We have done some sessions like that, but
Yes.
we'll surely redo them
Yes.
for the next batch of students.
Yes.
That's a nice suggestion.
Yes.
We'll surely do that. Any other suggestions you have for us or for other students? Thank you very much. Thank you,
you, sir.
Ronak. Thank you very much for your time.